You didn't really... Why? Oh, come on. Welcome back. Today we're going to be baking cupcakes. This is flour, sugar, baking soda, and powder, baking powder, sour cream, eggs, vanilla, milk. Let's begin. Okay, I'm sifting the flour to make it finer. So we're gonna do some more sifting of this baking soda. Just gonna add it all in. This is sugar. Okay, we're gonna use the mixer again. So let's just flip this and we don't want a tooth in there. Oh yeah, I have a wiggly tooth back here. It's good. Okay, I'm gonna add the sour cream. Now we're gonna add the butter. It is melted. Melted, by the way. Time for the egg. Should I tell you I took this off the internet? Yeah, I should probably tell you that. I just added vanilla. I'm whisking it together by hand. Yay! You might want to take this off for convenience. Well, time to mix it. Well, we could be here a while. Now I'm going to start putting these into this tin. Take the batter you've already made. It should look nice like this. Don't ask how that happened. It was none of your business. Sorry for anyone who's allergic to wheat. This is not for you. Also anyone who's allergic to eggs. While your cupcakes are baking, you can make your icing. Now where's the icing? Sugar. Can someone help me? In goes the butter and come on. Wait, this could get messy. It looks like the butter's been creamed together, guys. Now I'm gonna add this vanilla. Okay, that went in fast. Perfect. Time for some food coloring, if you want. These are nice cupcakes. Let's get icing. Perfect. Now we eat. So good. Come back next time for some delicious brownies. Make sure to put that scene where he started freaking out in the blooper reel. Sorry, but my cameraman's being really annoying, so I'm afraid I'm gonna have to do this